Hey guys, if we are very good at playing DLS 2026, just watch this video and you know how good I really am because up to now I've not seen anyone that'll play me like in a DLS match, whether live or any match, that's want to beat me. I swear to God. But now just watch this video. Watch how I cook this team black and blue. But even though it's 1-0, but you see my work is engaged this team. Now just watch this video and you understand what I'm saying.
Everyone the home team has gone with this lot. They're going 4-2-3-1. This formation has been popular in recent years and allows teams to use the space on the pitch. Marcus Thuram. The ball played back. Good clean challenge. It's with the defender now. He's in control. Anthony has it. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Good ball control. Oh, well intercepted. Now it's Sanset. They're moving the ball forward. Stones, big tackle. He got that ball wrong. Great ball. Mendy in possession. Marcus Thuram. Now it's Sanset. Oh, determined challenge there. He's taking the ball out wide. Goes for the volley. It was a long-range shot, but the keeper read it.
God save you now.
Sanset brings it forward. A golden chance. Back off the post. That's a nasty tackle.
Somebody say how?
Oh, a red card. He can protest all he likes, but that was a horrific challenge. Will he go for glory? Well, he certainly made the goalkeeper
I said this keeper,
He's
papa.
unlucky
I
not to
need to better
score.
for your family. This keeper.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Can he get it on target? So one team's game plan has gone out of the window after that sending off. Can the other side use their advantage in the second half?
Now, I know that in the first half, they somehow not give me chance to score, but second half, everything will change. Watch and see.
Second half of this cup game gets underway. Dribbles with the ball. Good control from Thuram. Really good possession here. Headed forward. Helps it on. He can't miss.
I swear this keeper no go better for you. I swear this keeper.
Headed on. He loves to run with the ball. A strong tackle. Lovely passing here. That was a bad pass. A great move. He's clean through. Surely a goal is coming. Oh, well timed. He's taken back possession. Manager's changing his squad. He's trying a different tactical approach. Wins the ball. Some strong tackles. It looks like it's going to be one of those physical games. Good control from Turan. He's closing in on goal, but can he finish it?
You see, I said I will score, and I have scored. I am the biggest in this game since nobody can win me. Up when they were dominating since they were draw, but now I've scored. I am the biggest.
Some players are looking exhausted. These new subs will be fine until it's midfield. Another chain now, and one last push for the losing team. Could see this match going to extra time. Tries the long pass. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. And it's opened up here. Oh, that was a real chance.
You won't score. They're not going anywhere.
He's on the move.
Why is it in the glitch like this now? Why is it in the glitch when I want to score? Can't go for a beat. Collect
They
ball.
want to add to their lead here. Here's his chance. It hit the
Why is it
post
his
so
bar now? Oh,
close. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals. That was a good victory.
full time
3 to the next
1-0.
round.
I'm the winner.
Eagerly
You
await
see?
the next round.